Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kim again. Yeah! I have package that I got again from Forever 21 and I received recently. I tried to apply for the Ipsy monthly glam bag and you will pay $10. So I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it's worth $10. I know for some people it's just $10 just. But for me it is $10. Every penny counts. So I got it from Ipsy. Yes. Isn't it pretty? Like the packaging is so pretty. And I want to check what's inside the glam bag for my month of April. So let's do unboxing. Let's open this. After this, I want to know if I want to cancel it. Because, it's cute. Isn't it cute? And the back side is, well, this is the front side and then this is the back side. It's kind of like lilac, lavender color. And it's cute because it's butterfly and I like butterfly, and there is like a rose gold detail here. So let's open it, and it has the name Ipsy. Yeah. So what's inside the bag? Let's see. I've got, what is this? Chate London First Flicks. What is this? Pasensya guys, parang may sipon ako. Kaya singhot ako ng singhot. And I look haggard. Yeah, even though I have my lipstick on, my eyebrows, and a little bit of eyeshadow, I look haggard. It has a cute packaging though. It's called Chate London First Flicks. I don't know. I think if you can read it, guys. Let's see. Oh, I knew it. It's an eyeliner. Let's see and test this out. I'll just get it. Hala, nagkulot na siya. Honestly, I don't like this. It doesn't glide so smooth and it's not felt tips. Hard to apply, so no, I don't like this. Let's move on. Pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, smoothing. So maybe I can use this highlighter. I guess the reviews are true because there are a lot of complaints about Ipsy, and then they just cancel their membership. So this is the color. It says a liquid highlighter. Let's see and check. Look, parang dami naman. It's my first time to use a liquid highlighter though. Pero nadamihan ko ata. It has a smoothing effect, cooling effect. It's perfumey. It smells good, but yeah, maybe I can use it someday. Oh, konti lang yung nilagay ko, pero ganito na siya, oh, ganito na siya. Nalumping na. Ano sa maningay? Fail. And then, the last, yun lang. What is this? Chimia Copper M&M Shadows. Ang cute ng packaging, guys. Gray and, but, let's see. Kung hanggang packaging lang ba siya. Oh, glittery siya, guys. Let's try. Oh! Wow! Wow! Can you see it? Parang mas maganda siya sa salamin kaysa sa camera. Oh, sige, lagay na natin yan lahat. Let's put it everywhere. Oh, over my eyelid. Nakikita niyo ba? Can you see it? This? Yeah, I like it. Oh, they still have one in the Ipsy bag. It's a brush. Tante brush. It's a brush. It's nice. It's long. For $10, I think it's a waste. Yes. So, maybe I'm gonna cancel it. I'm gonna cancel my membership. Because I'm not satisfied. I'd better pay $10 and bought something that I really like. You know? You know what I mean? So, but anyway, I'm just curious, so I did it. I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you like this failed video, please do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.